Jarek with 8 6-speed here. We're thinking it's about high time we change things up on our tried and true Toyota GR86 shop car. It's been in this state for roughly about year and a half, 2 years at this point. So I think it's time we tweak some things here and there. I don't know, what do you guys think? Change the wrap a bit, change the wheels, maybe go back to TEs. I know we're definitely gonna try to experiment with a new force induction package just to play around with other setups that are out there. Our Sprintex has served us well, and today we're going to walk you through everything that's done to our Sprintex GR86 so far. Starting off with the exterior, as you can see, it is very much not OEM. It is a magenta wrap over these awesome luminous yellow Graham Lights 57 DR wheels, which we have an 18 by 9.5 plus 38, wrapped in 255 wide Kumo Exta V730 tires. I could not remember that on my own. Thank God it's written right there. For suspension, our car's sitting nice and low on BC Racing BR Series coilovers. They do come with adjustable top hats, so you can adjust your camber and also dampening rates. Behind our luminous yellow DRs, EBC Apollo 4-piston big brakes. They are 2-piece and slotted. They are running EBC's RP series track pads. When you buy your own kit, I believe they'll come with a set of the RPs and the yellow stuffs, but we're running the RPs. Rex Speed protruding side markers. Nice. Alpha Rex gloss black headlights, which look awesome. You got the 6 bulbs sticking out right there and the orange daytime running light. One piece of this 5-piece Tom's skirt package that we got going on. It includes the front lip, the side skirts you'll see when we come back around, and the side spats at the back, which you'll see in just a moment. Tom's side skirts, this little lip right here follows this line of the OEM side skirt. Works beautifully. Almost looks like it could have come OEM like that or on some sort of special edition. And we got the Tom's spat right here. Normally, if you've seen their body kits online, they usually have that quad exit Lexus F Sport style exhaust, which we also sell. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just get these little spats just right here that sit at the corner of the rear bumper. Tom's doesn't really sell an alternative if you don't buy the quad exit exhaust, so we decided to do something different. This is the STI diffuser that you can get from us or from Subaru. Normally it's just flat black plastic like the rest of the stock bumper, but we had it wrapped magenta like the rest of the car. And as you can see here, black tip AWE touring exhausts, which we sell on the site. You can get them in touring, which is resonated, or track, which is not resonated. Both are crazy loud, which I'm sure you've probably heard in our videos. Down here we have our own in-house brand 4th brake light, smoked. You can also get them in red. Valenti Jewel upper brake light and Valenti Jewel smoked tail lights, which you can also get in smoked or red. Lip spoiler, which 1,000 companies make in 1,000 different variations. You can go on our site and pick whichever one you want. We sell ones that just come in flat plastic, body color, or carbon fiber. The carbon fiber ones are pretty good sellers. And this Toyota GR insert right here that fills in this blank space between the rear windshield and the trunk. Toyota GR sells one. You can also get one from Voltex, Kazama Auto, and other companies. To help us get the setup for our rear suspension dialed in just right, we are running SPL lower rear control arms with Cusco upper rear control arms and toe arms from SPC. Inside, nothing too special. It's pretty basic in here. And as you can see, no steering wheel, because it's right here. JQ Werks and Mad Trace race wheel, complete with these pre-programmed buttons that retain all of your interior functions. You can also adjust drive mode from this wheel too. Snaps right in. Other than that, pretty stock, pretty basic in here. What do you guys think we should do? Interior trim, short shifter, billet work shift knob, maybe some special edition bride seats. Okay, the good stuff under the hood. As you can see, this car was once gray, so our engine bay is gray. And sitting atop here is our Sprintex twin screw supercharger. This car has been through a bunch of powertrain variations before. I believe there was an Arma Speed and a K&N intake on this thing at once, maybe even the HKS with a pair and strut bar. Now we ditched all of that for this Sprintex twin screw, which makes about 300 horsepower and I believe about 250-ish pound-feet of torque on our crappy West Coast 91 octane. Delicious tuning. Flex Fuel kit with the Delicious Tuning Flex Fuel tune. We were able to get it up to 350 wheel horsepower and about 310 torque. Verus engine caps here and there. You can see the adjustable top hats and the dampening adjustment for your BC coilovers. Other than that, pretty basic in here. It is on in E-tune, which means you didn't have to defeat any sort of emissions devices for the Sprintex and the Delicious Tuning tune to make that kind of power. We just have the kit and the AWE Touring Catback, but you are still running the factory headers and the factory front pipes and over pipes, which are catted. Factory cats, still making 350 wheel on E, 300 on 91. Not too bad. Carbon fiber fuse box cover, M-Tec battery tie down, 8 6-speed hood shocks. Huge thanks and shout out to all the brands and all of you followers who made this car possible. We had a huge amount of fun building it and driving it the way that it is the last couple of years or so. It's time to move on, try new things. We know a bunch of stuff has come out in the time since then. Let us know what you want to see. New supercharger, maybe a turbo. We definitely want to try some new forced induction packages and see what else we can pull out of this motor. Maybe bucket seats in the interior, maybe all new suspension, all new wheels and tires. Maybe we turn into a drag car, track car, who knows? Let's see. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see for the future.